Hello, this is Toby Farkas. This is my LabVIEW demo for Mateo Aboy's Engineering 267 at Oregon Tech. I'll start by pressing run, and we're on Sawtooth now. I can change it to a square wave, increase the duty cycle, amplitude. We can also select a triangle wave, add noise to it here, or a DC, not much to that. Sine wave, we could add Gaussian noise, white noise. We can change the frequency here, and you can multiply the frequency by 100. And if you need to get a better look at it, you can change the screen here. The scale changes, the seconds per division. You can also change volts per division. You can look at the FFT. If you change it here, slide this scale, go back to multiply it by 1, and it's over here. You can get a better look at it by changing the scale again here, and you can see exactly where you're at for any of those. I've also got a record and save data function here that you can start it and it'll give you a timer, and it tells you where your file will end up. You can select any place you want, and you can stop and start anytime you want. And that's my LabVIEW project. Thank you.